Excuse me, your own name? As a what? Apokibe. You are the one of 30-year-old. How old are you? 30. 30
Yes, sir.
year old. Where are you from?
Delta State.
Delta State. What's your own name? Adib Kolapo. How old are you? 27. Where are you from? Ibadan. This year ago. What of you? Pardon? Nendom Son to Chuku. Okay, where are you from? Anambra State. You know why you are here? You know why you are here. And you read what the statement I made. So what's your involvement in that?
Please come forward.
Stay here, stay here.
So according to what they read, they say...
Do you have any link with this lover?
No, I do business on Instagram. So Lover too does business on Instagram. So Lover has a lot of vendors and fights against scam. So I use Lover as a criteria to prevent doing business.
You use Lover. How do you use Lover?
Because when I see a vendor, and the vendor or anybody that is following Lover want to patronize me, I have this clarity that it's not going to scam me or scam my followers. So that is how I came into Lover. Then they said,
so what do you do? What do you do online? What job do you do online?
I help people fix their sponsored ads. I fix their sponsored ads. It should then help online stores that are not used to navigation on Instagram. I also help people grow their Instagram page.
Have you ever shared any content?
Yes, for example.
You share content on your platforms?
Yes, on my personal page. I share
those somebody else's content or post?
My personal content.
You have not shared anybody?
No.
Somebody?
No.
You have not shared it?
No, my personal or any I have not shared any defamatory or celebrity or even the said complaint. I've never shared anything concerning her.
But you help to call followers anytime this platform.
Yes, because we have a lot
is shut down.
When the page gets down, we have a lot of fake, and those fake they still scam people. And due to the nature of my business, I have to tell them this is the real one, this is the fake one. So unaware to me that the force is trying to get down the page. That is the real Chislo.
So I have a couple questions for you.
This way.
So in your business dealing, do you have direct access to Gislova, wherever Gislova is?
No.
Okay.
It's just online.
Okay. So in your business dealing, have you ever given out any information that led to the defrauding of somebody else?
No. What I do is strictly my business, or if I want to do any business with someone, I can ask, is this person real? Because he has a lot of business people. So it's a kind of me knowing the people I can do business. Even the police.
Yeah, I get you now.
Yeah, even the police are arrested me.
You're sharing any kind of information online led to somebody else being
No.
defrauded or being robbed by?
No. I've not. I just strictly business.
So, but how come the police don't arrest you?
Yeah.
The police that arrested me came to me, said he wants to do business with me. He said he wants to do business. I should help him arrange his cage and all. And also told me that he saw I'm following Gislova and I'm a good follower, that I should help him contact the Gislova. I told him I don't know Gislova, and I just do my business online. The police that even arrested me sent me money, 300K. I refunded the money.
Yes, that's okay. That's our own game. We monitored you. We have been on you for this pattern for the past 4, 5, or 6 months. So it's not that we are just picking you as a follower, a Gislova. We have seen you as an admin on that platform. You have been enjoying goodies from him. Excuse me. You have been enjoying goodies from him, and we have our information. We just didn't come to you. You are not the only Nigerian that is following Gislova. So you have been into this business with him, and you have been enjoying so many good things. So it's not a day job. We have placed you under surveillance for more than 5 or 6 months for you to know. And one of the strategies was coming to you to tell you, because you seek for patronage, you seek for sponsor adverts, and you do all sorts of things so that you get money, and people patronize you guys. So it's not that police just went out to go and pick you, or you're just looking for somebody to pick. You have been under surveillance for a very long time, and we went for our target straight. We have our evidence against you, and you are at liberty to raise objections when you get to court, but we are convinced with technology. It is not a mere arrest, not an ordinary arrest. You could see that we went forensic, we adopted forensic strategies to actually pick those we have picked. To even get you to get everything, because you'll be faceless. So it was a painstaking effort that led to the arrest of you suspect we have here. So it's not an accusatory system of I suspect. We went forensic and we use our technological assets to get you. Go back to that your place. Then Adebu Kola, aka Omoba Dislover. So what's your link with Dislover?
It's just normal link.
Normal link. How do you describe anything normal? Normal link? How do you describe normal link?
Just we chat on Instagram.
You chat.
We just.
What do you do for him online? You do nothing for him. Okay. Like what I have here, Debu Kola, Mobadislova. You create. In fact, the system gave us that you created 80% of the Dislover pages.
Dislover.
It is not. We are talking of science here, and we have our system. This is a National Cyber Crime Center, not a divisional headquarters that arrested you, not an area command office that arrested you. So this is what they do, and this is what they have been trained for. So they know we have what we have. What we have here is we have created over 80% of the Dislover pages, thereby lending a digital footprint for the perpetration of information care, particularly in the case at hand. We are not even talking of other cases. I know Nigerians will come up with other cases. We have more than 100 petitions against this Dislover blog alone. I know Nigerians have been coming up. The center has been receiving more complaints, even against those that we have here. We just decided to make this one known to Nigerians, that against the erroneous perception that Dislover is just an individual, it's a syndicate, and you know what they do, and you know what they stand for. And so for those who have cases that are still pending, the Nigerian police has called on them to come around, to come and reactivate their cases so that I can consolidate what we have. A message is, no matter what you do, no matter offense or any illegal act you have committed, you can only run. You cannot hide. You can only run, you cannot hide, because the motto and the slogan is forensic investigation or forensic policing is that every offense committed leaves a trace. Every offense committed leaves a trace in scientific investigation. And we have actually told the line of using principles of scientific investigation to work on this matter. So it is for Nigerians to know that we are working to make sure that we go after all these people who are causing problem for us, are causing problem for every Nigerian. So far so good, people have come up to still testify, and they have come up with other complaints on this particular blog. Many cases are still on. Like I said, it's in the news that police have arrested some in Lagos. They have arrested many in Abuja. This is not the first case. And the center is basically established to make sure we protect our cyberspace in this country and even beyond the shores of this country. That is Omoba Dislover. That's your nickname. For even to have such a nickname, it goes a long way. Your name is your anchor. That's what they say as in a proverb. So your name is your anchor. For you to even have a name with is it material for somebody to have christened you Omoba? If they call you Omoba Miwadejobi, which means you are so close to Miwadejobi to the extent that we do things together with them and want together, we do business together. For us to know, we are just showing this for Nigerians to know that we didn't base our investigation on just mere speculations or just following you online. It's scientific, and we have a credible evidence to prosecute you. So when you get to court, you are at liberty to raise the matter, raise any objection. You are at liberty to get your lawyers and come for your defense. But it's just good for you to know that we have not just arrested you based on mere speculation or psychological projections. As many Nigerians have been calling me, Nigerians have been sending mails to us, they've been following me, following us on our handles. We have gone deep into this case for you to know that we have what we see. I think the center told us we recovered so many things, and we recovered some messages and content informations, and we think we should let Nigerians know. Many of us, gullibly, we follow some of these bloggers. We are still going to spread our tentacles to pick those who sponsor some of these destructive blogs that are causing problems. It's a crime in Nigeria to do cyber stalking. Then they go back. Isaac's case is the same case, and there's no ignorance in law. He creates fake pages to imitate this lover, to catch crews and get money too. So whatever it is, it's still the same family. You can't spell she without E. You can't spell woman without man. All of them are connected and they work together. So he's been enjoying the brand, that name. People have paid to him, he has enjoyed it, and he's getting cool money from this business. But this business is criminal. And I can say this, I can repeat it again, that is a criminal. And that's why we place him under surveillance too. We still have many that we have not picked. We are still watching them because I can say for now we have like almost notified or identified almost 12 admin who are strong members of this syndicate. So it is not just an individual. Nigeria will say, do you know this lover? It's not that this lover that you say an individual. It's a syndicate. Fine, they can have a coordinator, and we are still working on that. We have further information we don't want to reveal at this stage so that it will not jeopardize our investigation. But we are strong enough and we are committed, we are focused to make sure we unravel everything concerning this particular criminal activity in Nigeria.